Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, it's Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick hands-on with the Moto G7 Power that was showcased at the Mobile World Congress. This phone comes with that 5000 mAh battery, that's the main feature of this one, and it also has a 6.2-inch HD plus display, 720 to 1520 pixels of screen resolution, and it also has 3GB of RAM, 32GB storage and a beautiful design. Unlike how the Moto G7 Play was in the budget range, the G7 Power has a better battery and a better design as well. Though there's a notch display on the front, it houses the earpiece grill, the camera as well as the sensors, and the phone has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. The device has a micro USB port towards the bottom, the microphone as well, and on the right are the buttons, the power button as well as the volume rocker buttons. On the top there's a secondary microphone as well as a 3.5mm headset jack, and on the left is the slot for the micro SD cards and as well as the SIM cards. It's a dedicated micro SD card slot that is given here that can support up to 512GB of storage. And on the back is that camera, which is a beautiful looking one, back design, but the camera is a 12MP one with the f2.0 aperture, and a good thing is it supports 4K video recording, and there's also an 8MP selfie camera that can support up to 1080p videos, and it's coming with the f2.2 aperture. Under the settings, if you see, there are variants as well here, and the basic variant comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB storage, while the one in Europe can also have 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage. For the security, there are options as face unlock as well as the fingerprint security, and the fingerprint scanner is present on the back of the phone. And the phone runs Android 9 Pie with that Moto Experience. The Moto Experience is all about the Moto display as well as the Moto actions. There are quite a few things that you can do with this smartphone's actions options that is under the Moto Experience. And in the Moto Experience, it's not just about how you interact with your notifications, but you can lift to unlock, you can do the screenshot editing, 3-finger screenshot gesture can be used, one button nav is where you enhance the size of the screen display area, and you can use your front area to actually control the entire area of the navigation buttons. And there's also fast flashlight, quick capture, and fast flashlight is about chopping to flashlight, turn on the flashlight. Quick capture is about twisting the phone to turn on the camera. There's also the flip for D&D, and under Moto display there are two options, one is peak display and the other is attentive display. So these are the things that you have to actually experience. If you are actually buying a Moto phone, you'll take advantage of this entire thing to make the experience of the smartphone usage better. Now with the camera, as said, it's an f2.0 12MP camera on the back. It also has the face detection autofocus, there's an LED flashlight for the support, and the modes include portrait shot, cinematograph, panorama, and there's options for slow motion and time lapse as well. And in case you want to go live on YouTube, you can do that from the Moto app itself. And under the video settings, you can see that this can record 4K videos at 30 FPS, and that's a good thing. Having Snapdragon 632, that's one advantage of it, where you can support 4K video support. And there's also the integrated Google Lens here if you want to use that as well. And for the front facing camera, the selfies can be captured with the 8MP camera with the f2.2 aperture, and there's SDR options as well, and the video recording is possible at up to 1080p at 30 FPS. So this is all about the Moto G7 Power smartphone, which is launched in India already, and this is the only phone in the G7 series that is currently available, and it's a splash resistant phone as well. So if you want to know anything else about it, do let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.